Dear friends, on behalf of Practice Success and Smile Care Foundation, I, Dr. Sham Mahajan, welcome you all. Implant dentistry is now an integral part of dental practice, whether you are a specialist or a general practitioner. Having implant as a treatment option is a legal right of the patient, failing which you either stand to lose a patient or even face consumer court. I started as a general practitioner from a small town and now practicing exclusive implantology. Through these courses, I share my experience of 41 years of clinical practice and 18 years of implantology practice so as to help you start and build your implant practice. A successful implantologist is a combination of clinical skills and communication skills. Keeping this in mind, we have tailor-made 3 days comprehensive workshop which will help you to build a solid base for your implant practice. In this, we are going to cover why implants, how to convince a patient for implant treatment, anatomy of maxilla and mandible from implant perspective, surgical principles for implant dentistry, radiographic planning including CBCT evaluation, prosthetic principles of implant dentistry, complications in implant dentistry and how to avoid them. We have also designed hands-on exercises on sterilization protocol for implant surgery, surgical technique on goat head for flap designing and various suturing techniques, impression technique on dummy mandible, live surgical demonstration. Our objective of this course is, after completion of course, participant will be able to determine clinical scenario and appropriate candidates for implant treatment, convince the patient for implants, develop a treatment plan, understand various components of implant kit and their utility, prepare surgical site for implant placement, select and correct prosthetic components and for the implant restoration, deliver implant prosthesis and guide patient for long-term maintenance. In second module, you can do a case under our guidance. I have been mentoring many practitioners in India and abroad. We can discuss your cases and I can be present to guide you while do your case in your clinic. Looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.
On behalf of Practice Success and Face and Dental Institute, I, Dr. Prakash Patil, welcome you. I started as a general practitioner and now practicing exclusive advanced implantology and maxillofacial surgery. In this 3-day module of Implantpedia, a basic course on dental implantology, I'm going to share my 20 years of clinical experience with you to help you to start and build confidence for your implant practice. It is said that good judgment comes from experience and a lot of that comes from bad judgment. Being a general dentist for 10 years and then became an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, I personally understand the challenges faced by a general dentist. During this course, apart from basics, I will be giving more emphasis on sterilization protocol, surgical principles for implant dentistry, anatomy of maxilla and mandible from implant perspective, radiographic planning and spatial anatomical considerations before starting the case with the aid of CBCT, that is cone beam CT scan, use of bone grafts and PRF in case of insufficient bone volume cases, complications in implant dentistry and how to avoid and manage them. During hands-on exercise, I will cover asepsis protocols during implant surgery, various flap designs and its importance, reflecting flaps and suturing techniques on goat head. After the completion of this course, participants will be able to plan and place an implant, achieve a primary stability of implant, understanding various pitfalls in implant dentistry and overcoming the complications. Of course, I can help you in planning and executing cases at your clinic too. Looking forward to see you. Thank you.